LStrum, and I will be talking about my state, New Hampshire. New Hampshire is the 9th state on June 21st, 1788. New Hampshire's nickname is the Granite State. The motto is live free or die. Here's a picture of the New Hampshire flag and state seal. Where is New Hampshire? New Hampshire is in the northeastern United States. New Hampshire is bordered by Vermont, Maine, Massachusetts, and the Atlantic Ocean. New Hampshire is one of the 13 original colonies. The capital of is Concord, and Manchester is the largest city. The state bird is the purple finch, and the state flower is the purple lilac. Mount Washington is the highest point in New Hampshire. It is approximately 6,288 feet. Did you know New Hampshire was home to the first American astronaut? Fun Spot Family Entertainment Center in Laconia, New Hampshire is the largest video game center in the world. In 1776, New Hampshire became the first colony to establish a government independent of Great Britain. Thank you for listening. I told you about my state. Now tell me about yours.